Hello guys, so in this video you can see I'm getting 30 km per liter mileage, you can see, and I've driven 5 km. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. First of all, we are going to reset it, okay, and we are going to start the car. Let's go. Just don't let your RPM reach 3000 and drive with light foot. Whenever someone overtakes you, just let them overtake you and just make sure you don't chase other people, okay? You see? And you drive with light foot. Don't accelerate too much, okay? You see, we are not reaching 3000 RPM, okay? And whenever we are going to reach 3000 RPM, we are going to shift the gear. That's how we are going to drive. I'm driving on a highway right now, and on a highway you can get about 30 km per liter mileage with this car. I'm driving Tata Punch Adventure, and we are on the highway. We are almost getting about 15 point. Okay, our kilometer per liter is increasing. As you can see, it has reached up to 18 km per liter, and this is where I'm driving. 19.5. You can drive around 40 to 60 or 70. Now we have reached 22 km per liter mileage, and I'm gonna make sure I drive on the right gear, and we are shifting to fourth gear. We are getting 23. We have just reached 23, and this is the highway I'm driving. Just make sure you drive on the right gear, and as you can see, I'm not reaching 3000 RPM, and no one is overtaking me since I'm on the right track. If we shift to third gear, it will be more better for us, and just don't drive on eco mode, since it produces less torque. It's not gonna work for you. It will consume more fuel instead of saving your fuel. And so this is how we reach 30 km per liter mileage, and the AC is on, as you can see, and it's almost reaching 29 now. 28.9 km per liter mileage. We are going to shift it to third gear. 28. That's how you get 30 km per liter mileage. So it's time for me to overtake this car. We are going to off the AC, and just make sure your car is on city mode. If not, you won't get the 30 km per liter mileage. And just make sure you drive below 3000 RPM, okay? And also, your speed limit should be about 40 to 70 km per hour. That's how you get 30 km per liter mileage on any car, but I'm driving Tata Punch right now, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and we will be back with another video. If you request me to shoot any kind of videos like this on any car, I'm gonna shoot. So until then, goodbye, and consider subscribing if you love my video. Goodbye.